Hey everyone, in this video we will learn Quicken Classic categories. Categorizing your transactions is a fundamental part of Quicken. When you open the category list from the Tools menu, Quicken displays all of the categories and accounts in the current file. Accounts are listed by type and name at the bottom of the category list under Transfers and Payments. From the Quicken Tools menu, choose Category List. Then, choose New Category, which is located at the upper right of the category list window. After that, type in the category name and description. Select if this is going to be an income or expense type, or if it will be a subcategory of a broader parent category. Here, click Save when finished. You can create your categories and remove or hide the ones you don't need. From the Tools menu, choose Category List. Right-click the category or subcategory you want to edit, and then choose Edit. Now enter the desired changes in the Edit category window and click OK. If you want to chart categories assigned to specific transactions, recategorize them. If Quicken finds a split transaction with a matching payee, it asks you to edit it if the amounts differ. To use Quicken's suggested category, simply record the transaction as usual. If you change the category, Quicken remembers your change. You can customize Quicken's register preferences to turn off these features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.